Yo. Yo, what's up, guys? Happy birthday, Nervate. Welcome in. Hey, thank you, everyone. Thank you. I'm not showing stats, guys. Sorry. Stats are incredible. That's all you need to know. Okay. Today we are going to be working on the admin menu so that I can do admin abuse this Saturday. Which I'm really excited for, but it's also very nerve-wracking. Hey, thanks, Ninja. Appreciate it, dude. Because the admin abuse is gonna be like, you know, a lot of people. So, hopefully nothing breaks. But that's gonna be what I'm gonna be working on today. I think the biggest reason the game went viral? Just fun. Addicting. Fun. Stats are incredible. Yeah. So we're gonna doing the admin abuse menu. Right now I have like super basic, like global luck, global roll speed. Like I could set my roll speed to like 10, and you'll see I'll roll incredibly quick. And this works globally too. You know, whatever. Set my luck to 999. Oh, I thought I had cutscenes turned off. I could have sworn I had. Oh, you know what? I need to unlock the next area. Because if you have... There's like fixed cutscene thresholds for the first two arenas. Or first two zones. Stop! Okay, turn it off. I want to add something that allows you to change your cutscene threshold if you get 3 in a row. Let me just... oh, I don't have the teleporter unlocked. I'm like, what? Where am I? Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm scared to do an announcement on the Discord that I'm live. Maybe I should just keep it chill like this. Because I'm thinking I could also live stream the admin abuse. I haven't decided if I'm actually gonna do that yet, but I think that could be fun. When slime RNG toys in Target, dude, that's like my dream to like have merch for one of my games or like toys or something like that. Thanks, Foxfly, appreciate it. Thank you, everyone, for the congrats. How do you feel about the success for your game? I'm very happy. Been a long time coming. Thanks, Prism. Whoa. This is new. This is new, right? I've never seen this before. I'm gonna RC 2026. I mean, yes, although I have a wedding on this Sunday that I have to go to, so I will at minimum be missing all of Sunday. The stats. I'm not gonna show stats, guys. I'm sorry. I know everyone wants them, but tutorial about crafting? What do you mean? Like how to make a crafting system? You said you wouldn't switch up when you made it. I just am not gonna show stats. I don't think that's switching up. The admin look. I mean, I can set it to whatever I want. I can set it to 1,000. Right now, this is roll speed 10. There's like a diminishing returns. Okay, let's the actual admin chat. I was in the process of making it look nice because this UI looks horrible, so I'm kind of redoing all of it. Codex. So I think I have it set up where I can just switch tabs. Yeah. Yeah, add any of the new slimes to the game? Of the ones you sent me, yes, I have added some. And the word stats, yeah, Loki. The Frost King, Tomato, the Rich Dude, the Watermelon, the Dragon Demon thing. I can't tell what this one is. Oh, I made that one. Oh, that's Beme. So yeah, quite a few are in there qualified. Probably more coming in this next update as well. Are you going to buy a mansion in LA? I hope so. Hi, man. Why was someone in DoBig ranked? They were looking for, or they wanted to offer, that I did not accept, and then I forgot to remove them from the group, or forgot to get rid of their analytics permissions. It's very normal to give analytics permissions for someone that's like offering on games. I just forgot. Okay, let's actually make the menu. So I was working on the chat box right now, for the global chat. That's probably good. And then I basically just need this. Hi, Roblo, man. Why is your game UI so smooth and admin panel is so ugly? Because I'm working on the admin panel. Trust me, I know, Mert. Testing. Let's go. Hello world. Maybe the messages should stay a bit longer. Ready for admin abuse? You guys are so... Oh. Okay. So the way I have everything set up is that this should be global. I kind of want to have like a time here though. Should we be seeing it? No. Okay, and then let's make these actually not look buns. Shutting all servers for updates gonna be terrifying. Yep. It sure will. we can just get rid of this. Oh, that is so stupid. Hold on. Whenever I switch tabs in VS Code, it switches to Roblox Studio. Ah! Alright, whatever. I tried doing like automatic scene switcher, but that's so dumb. I'll just stop it. Alright, one sec. Where's my face? There it is. Okay, so let's make this. Actually, let me commit this first. New chat box. And then inside of the global page, let's make this. Size would be like. I don't know, 8. Set the background transparency to like 0.5. Wow, I guess that like perfectly. Okay. Cool. Hey, thanks, works. Okay, and then let's clean these up a lot. Right now they kind of suck. Graduated from college. Yeah, I have a degree in computer electrical engineering. You have a primitive component for like every UI object? Yes. Congrats on 100K CCU. Thank you. I do not have a PhD. Thanks, Sergius. Why not primitive for text box? I forgot to make one. that's I was actually gonna say everything but a text box. Ah. Was the peak CCU for tower defense RNG? I think like 14K? 13K? Then you create syntax. What do you have for Vide? I never even like used the Vide.create. This is my first time using Vide create in a long time for the text box. Because I just wrap everything. So I haven't experienced much there. Thanks, Ezra. Appreciate it. Okay, admin section card. How are we feeling about this? Sucks. Okay. I don't know if I would rather have like buttons like this, you know, or like inputs like this. It really doesn't matter. Like this is literally just an admin menu. It doesn't need to be nice. but like no one's gonna see this but me. Well, let's put. I might live stream the admin abuse. You can have type on text input. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking too. Hey, thanks, Zero. Appreciate it. Just thinking how I want to set this up. I'm kind of thinking we do buttons almost like this. And then I can just click it and then set. And I can have a time as well. Would that work for everything, though? Because I'm trying to think. There's going to be a lot more than just luck and roll speed, you know? Like, a text box is a lot more granular. Next word. Yeah, secti will. There will be a mutation section, mutation luck section as well. Try Linux. Maybe. Admin abuse is on Saturday. There's an event on the game that you can join that has the exact time. I'm thinking we do like set and clear buttons on the. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up good old Codex, and I'm gonna say update the or I guess create a generic update the section card component. So that it's just set and clear. Set, clear. No, it sucks for UI. I mean, maybe we just make it ourselves. Yeah. There will be an update besides just admin abuse, yes. I could just do gray instead of this blue. I don't really like the blue. Yeah, and I'm just gonna completely get rid of these here. I think it was set up horribly. Because AI is trash at front end UI. And then I'll just make like, I wonder if I could just do something like this. Admin section card props would be like, and then let's do admin section card layout order is 1, and what was the other thing I needed? Title global lock. Okay, you can get the background gone. Let's add a UI padding up at the top. Yeah, it's been stressful, Costas, but obviously, like, things are going very well, so it's exciting. Dude, like, annoying. I notice AI really just tries to, like, guess when it comes to the size of things, which, like, I mean, makes sense, but it always ends up looking really bad. It always, like, will not use text scaled too, which I find strange. It loves putting in Z index for no reason when it's not needed. It, like, thinks that it's on global Z index instead of sibling. Yeah, Rabbit. It's done very well. But then I'm just thinking like buttons all the way across. A time set clear. That was very good for you. Really? I mean, I've only used Codec, so I haven't actually used Claude, but I find it to, like, it visually will always look really bad. Hey, thanks, Destino. Appreciate it. Yes, I am using Selene, Don. And the fix for Vide, you need to allow a certain lint. You just add this one line, mixed tables allow. You can zoom in too. Yeah, I was kind of thinking the same thing, G6. Okay, let's get the set and clear buttons in, which will just be, what is this? We'll do stylize theme, and I think we can just do an X. I'm not gonna show the stats, guys, sorry. What did I forget? Oh. Genius. We'll do like, I don't know, 70? 70? Yeah, that's fine. No, I'm excited but nervous for the abdomen abuse. It's like there's gonna be so many people, you know? And like if something goes wrong, you know? So many like what ifs going on in your head, you know? Should be exciting though. I did do like a tiny mini test run on the last update where like I gave global luck and everything seemed to work. Yep. And then so that will be the clear action. And then let me do that's be like, I don't know, something like this. Cool. Up Tozu. Yeah, 0 exactly. English only, please. Why Visual Studio? I have a whole video on it. make the title have thicker here, and then I'll say offset UDM2. Something like that. Oh. Did you need to edit the horse cat to work with that? No. I just used horse cat like normal. Thanks, Charizard. UI pack? No. Okay, and then what I want to do is pass in like a bunch of like just predetermined options, basically. So I'm just gonna say options, and yeah, this will just be an array of, I guess, any. Probably numbers, though. And I could just say like options, and we could do for, you know, just whatever. Yeah, I made slime RNG. And then what I'll do is make like a little thing just called option buttons. Maybe I need like a transformer. Yeah, see, exactly. We could even do this. We could, if we really wanted to, use type T. Actually, no. That's so overkill. Yeah, we can just pass the props here. And then I'll say return, oops. Return frame. Like 60 maybe. Are you reading chat? I glance over. You will not be able to trade slimes now. Yeah, it's been a pretty crazy couple weeks. That's crazy. You will not be able to transfer slimes in any way to your people. There are no plans for that. It would be way too OP. Way too OP. Limited time slams? Yeah, I plan on doing that for sure. It's been stressful, but and I'll do local function option button. And I'll do like, what is it? Vide.index. Indexes. Props options. Oh, wait, we don't even need to do that. Use Sift for this. And just return option button. Turn option button with, what does this give me? Value and then the index. I've never used Moon Animator. What are we mad at? Options. Oh, I never set the option transformer. Now with image. Oh, I blame AI. I guess I'll just do gray. What? Got nil. Huh? Oh, are we calling this somewhere else? Yep. Oh. Yep. What I'll do is I'll just comment out the server portion. Selected index will just be a Vide source. 1, and then we can pass the selected index over here. Not getting like a lot, but oh well. And then we can just say theme would be if selected index is index, then green, otherwise that. Activated, selected index to index. Cool. This music a public playlist? It's the Synthwave Radio by Lo-Fi Girl. Is it raps? Just true. There we go. We need more space. Thanks, TD. I'm actually using Vide, is what it's called, Vide, instead of React or Fusion. And I've been really enjoying it. Pretty nice. Thanks, Monday. Appreciate it. You like better, Vide or React? I would say Vide. Let's make the section card a little bit taller. Maybe like 120. Then we can bring option button up just a hair. Perfect. I have a degree in computer electrical engineering. Okay, cool. And then when I click set, it would obviously set. I almost think that we need to pass selected index all the way through here into the original. And then pass it, select index here, and then pass it here. Just prop drill that all the way down. I guess we don't need to even derive that. That's fine. We can just, when we click set, activated. Where did I just go? I just teleported. Local value. And then in here is where so then we need to pass in the action, essentially. Let's do that here. Yeah. Yeah, keep that smile, it would. It would use memory stores to do it. Or it does. I don't like that I have to, like, prop drill this run action thing all the way down. Kinda gross. Like, why can we not just... do this here? Not success, then... And then we don't need to do this at all. That was trash. Like, why are we prop drilling this everywhere for no reason? Then we just do that. Admin, service, client. Thanks, Elemental. Okay. Execute admin action. Cool. Chat box. Yes. In admin section card. I like Vide more than React. Then instead of passing into that, we just need to do that. Admin client. Is that it? Oh, multiplier. I guess that gets a bit weird. I could do like value. I guess we just kind of like put whatever we want in here. Will everything have a duration? I think yes. So we can assume there's a duration inside of admin section card. That I'm happy with. What else? This variable here, multiplier, I don't love. Because some things wouldn't be a multiplier. Copied modded games. I already contacted Devrel about it. Thanks, Ranko. A notebook? Do you mind showing us 1 to 2 pages? Sure. I just keep my like daily logs in here and concepts. I mean, like, can I not just have, like, a callback that just gives me the value? Like, I think I prefer doing this. It's more work here, but, I think this is probably just better in the long run, though. Keeps things easier to keep track of. Yeah. Yes. I guess this should also have duration. Value. I know, Cruz. It is pretty crazy. Game split up. Pretty cool, though. Been very exciting past couple weeks. Thanks, Theo. Okay, and then instead of all of this, where's your new props? Callback. Oh, never mind. And we don't need the action string anymore, so we can get rid of that. Okay. And then have options, callback, cancel callback. What else do we need? Oh, the actual timer, right. Timer, I would prefer... Dude, I just hate text boxes. I think text boxes suck. Maybe I should just do like a row of buttons. 24/8. I don't know about that one. Because I already know people are going to stack these with server lock, so... A slider. I do have a slider component that I could just reuse. There's no space for it. I guess I could shrink this to here and then put it in this area, and that would probably work. Let's try that. Slider might be a good idea though. Not the chat box. Section card. Option buttons. Make this like, what, 450 maybe? Yeah, and then a little slider right here. We should be able to do... slide frame. I completely forget what's required here. Oh, not slide frame. I was like, that doesn't look right at all. Option slider. This is correct. Okay. Like 0, 30 seconds. 60, 120, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then 30 minutes. That should be good. On change. Time. I guess 0 shouldn't be an option. Make it 10 seconds, I don't know. Duration equals Vide source 0 on changed duration value. I like Vide the best out of the 3 I've used. Thanks, Cruz. Why did this not work? What is value? Current index. Okay, let me just see where I use this in other places. Oh, that's weird. Okay. I don't really get why we need to do that, but oops. FaceTime Durf and tell him to wake up. He's sleeping right now? Isn't it like 6 p.m. for him? Hey, thanks, Storm. Appreciate it. Why? Options. Does options need to be a Vide component? There's no way. Your RSG PB? I don't play RSG. Well, I mean, like on ranked, I play. Or I was. I haven't in a bit. But it was in 11s, I believe. I haven't played in like over a month though. I've been grinding. What? Option slider 40. Oh. Oh, because they have a value and a label. I see. Value equals... Oh, no. In the wrong spot. Here. Like, I think this is what we need. Why are we angry? There we go. And then let's grab this and just make this a constant. I saw the headline about that, Zerdy. I didn't actually look into it, though. Amount. I don't get... Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, never mind. I don't get it. And then up here we'll have the timer, or what it's actually selected. Amount. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. How is amount the current value? Get closest option value. Like, what? I get it. What's the point of the label then? Why do I need to put the label here if it doesn't actually show the label? English, please. When do RDC invites come out? I don't know. Is there like a... What's the point of the label? I don't get that. Label. Literally 0 point. Cool. Literally no point. Genius. I blame AI. Have you ever been invited to RDC? I've gone to RDC the last 5 years. I mean, we still got, what, 4 months? Dude, am I dumb? I am. I used to format time. And then like 3.5. Oh. Yes, exclusive Frosty. I made slime RNG. What's RDC? It's the Roblox Developers Conference. You ever think your games would get this big? Yes. I've always known I'm capable of making a game this big. Being capable wasn't the issue. It's like only certain games can get this big. If that makes sense. Okay, let's see if this works real quick. For 15 seconds. It doesn't actually show the timer here, or for like internal use, but next chance. So long 15 seconds. Has it been 15 seconds or does it not work? Okay, I think it's been longer than 15 seconds. Just gonna throw that out there. Wait, it ended. $30, 300, 15. Yeah, I'm using Horsecat for storyboards. Thanks, Joshua. Is it literally just a long 15 seconds? No, it's a way longer than 15 seconds. I don't think it's clearing it if it's less. I'm gonna start a timer on my phone. Way longer than 15 seconds. But I'm clearing it. That's so weird. Okay, wait. English, please. Yeah, I have something that converts pixels to scale. I find pixels to be like a million times easier to work with. It doesn't matter if they're saying anything bad or not. I just can't read what they are saying. Some got 5QN? Dang. The pixel scale thing? I actually have 2 versions of it on my GitHub. I don't have one that's written in Vide. I have one written in using Fusion and using React. 2 different like implementations. Okay, so what is going on here? Why does this not work? Like, it works, but it lasts way longer than it should. I'm wondering if there's, like... Yeah, there's a minimum of 60 seconds. I don't know why. So stupid. Okay. Bro keeps on forgetting about Twitch. Sorry, Twitch. Why? Any leaks for this update? No. The leaks are the admin menu. Got a lot planned though. A lot planned. Okay, this like essentially works. I'm never actually gonna use the 128. I just want it there so that's even. Consider making plushies? Dude, I want to so bad. That would be like my dream. But I think the game needs to be more established before I can really like think about doing that. It's still so new, you know? But I would love to have plushies. But the game just needs to be a little more established. Okay, I like the functionality of this. Now that we have this, it's really easy to make more. Like I can just copy this and say speed. Roll speed. And then this. Shoot. That. Go here and do like 1.5. 2, 2.5. 3, 3.5, 4, 5. Cool. And then layout order is 2. Oh, I guess. Oh, yeah. And now we have roll speed. See? Cool. Super easy. No inputting numbers, which I like. Okay. And that should work. So let's do yo peoples. Let me set my roll speed for 1 minute to 5x. Clear it. Set my luck to 128x. Getting way better stuff. Now let's spin quicker. This all works globally too. You ever open source any of your projects? I considered open sourcing Crashbots. I'm not open sourcing Slime RNG. Yeah, messaging service plus memory stores. I'm surprised you don't have a Git? I do have a Git, and I open source a lot. It's in the description. I have a lot of open source things out there. I just don't have an entire game open sourced. Data service is probably the best one. Yeah, data service is awesome. I think data service benefits the most people. It just makes data handling extremely easy. Open source how you did the ads. Did 40 ad credits for a week. Called it good. That was it. On your server? Oh, I can't do anything on the server. Crashbots uses Gen Roho tree, actually, not Gen Feature, which is a bit unfortunate, but for 1 week. I mean, low-key, I could open source the Brain Rot game, because that game is trash anyways. And that uses Gen Feature Tree. And that's a pretty small game. Maybe I should just open source that, actually. Because that one was so... like, that's such a bad game anyways. Why on earth have you forked Lua? That was one of the main reasons why I stopped using React, is because the type solver couldn't solve types with React, so I had to fork Lua to get React types. And I was like, what are we doing? Let's just stop using React and use something that actually works. Roblox TypeScript. I've never used it. Okay. Luck and roll speed, good. Get rid of this. I'll just say... new section. We also have the admin abuse panel. Just me. And then let's do... I want to do like the roll columns as well. Okay, I have a couple things actually. Roll columns. Slime damage, slime health, enemy damage, enemy health, mutation odds. There's a lot actually, now that I think about it. A lot of options. Oh, I want to be able to like force a jackpot spin. Or force like, basically just like auto like equip a jackpot spin. Okay, I'm happy with the section card. I mean, I would just use it like one time. It wouldn't be like a constant thing. Am I 5.4 medium? What? Oh, it like isn't able to load my chat. That's weird. Check your opponent and follow existing way your commands are set up. Not gonna send, I can already tell. Is there a way to like restart this? They're like load. Thank you. Download the desktop app? What do you mean? Have you used the Roblox memory source? Yeah. What's the high, are you live on Twitch? Yes. Codex desktop app? I mean, I just have it in VS Code. I don't really need another app. Live on Facebook. Nope. Where is the local page? Yeah, I'm gonna have to completely redo this. That's fine. This should be fairly easy. Columns are pretty easy to add. I've never tried Cloud Code. I've always just done Codex because I have a ChatGPT subscription anyways. Yeah, using Vide. No. Elliot, I have not. Don't know it's getting removed. Yikes. Wait, let me look at the dev forum post. I'll read it. Oh wait, I'll read it in a sec. It's finally finished. Plus 10 roll columns. Imagine. Yo, this is gonna be crazy. Oh my god. It's too many. Too much dopamine. Too much dopamine. Okay, we gotta see what 10 looks like. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, everything still works. Use a jackpot spin? Wait. True. I'll set my roll columns to 10 for a minute. And then... Oh, I need to get a jackpot spin. Use one. Thing is, you're not even gonna be able to see them. There technically is 10 here, but they're like off screen. Yeah. This is insane. Actually insane. Okay, cool. Insanity. Actually insane. Too much. Too much dopamine. Okay. That is fine. Actually, I guess that's fine. The admin role columns. Okay. And then now add mutation luck. Up to 50x. It just takes like once you get the hang of doing declarative UI, you can make things a lot faster, but it's definitely slower at first. 100% slower at first. That is like you're in the learning process. But being able to literally interact with the UI without having to play the game is something magical once everything works. It changes the way it'll completely change your workflow. Oh, I was gonna look at the dev forum post. Let me look at that. I'm sure everyone is screaming in the comments. There's one thing I've learned. Sorry. Tired. If there's one thing I've learned, no matter what Roblox does, people will get upset. Okay. What has Roblox done? Disabling cross-game sales of passes and dev products and introducing the transfers API. Roblox will discontinue cross-game sales of developer products and passes on May 29th to protect players from fraud and exploitation. New transfers API provides a secure, direct, and immediate path for in-game Robux transfers such as tipping and donations. Oh, tipping. That's interesting. Creators using the API earn a 10% commission, and recipients receive 90% of the transfer. Since Roblox takes no platform fee. Interesting. Because there's always a huge fee because the products were considered, even though they weren't considered for DevX, they would still be taxed the 30% or whatever. So that's kind of a W. Is that not? Like, creators get the 10% commission, and then there's no platform fee. 7 Robux, a plus subscription is required. All users under 18 sending or receiving. Yada, yada, yada. Okay. Creators have used developer products and passes to facilitate Robux donations and tipping in games. However, these tools were never designed for peer-to-peer Robux transfers. This is true. Well, many of these transfers create positive experiences for our players. Safety is always top of mind for Roblox. Protect players on our platform from fraud and exploitation. On May 29th, we're discontinuing the ability to sell developer products and passes outside of the original game or experience details page. So, essentially, please donate. I don't think there's any other use case besides scams and please donate. Does not affect avatar items. We know this change will significantly impact many games. Really? Are there any other games besides please donate? I can only think of one game. Because they say this change will significantly impact many games. Starving Artist, sure. Cafe games. I guess I've never played anything like that. Yeah, this would not affect catalog games because they're buying direct. They're buying the item. They're not buying a pass. So Starving Artists and please donate. Okay, to help you adapt to these changes. So that's just interesting. They said significantly impact many games. I would not have assumed it would really impact very many at all. To help you adapt to these changes, we've launched the Transfers API, available now for creators to enable safe, direct Robux transfers between players in-game. The Robux Transfers feature is available for Robux Plus subscribers, and creators can access Transfers API to allow for transfers in the game. Free transfer Robux doesn't take a platform fee. This means creators using the API earn 10% commission, and recipients receive 90% of the transfer, which is more than what they get today. Okay. I mean, like, call me crazy. I think Please Donate can just use this still. I think they were getting more than 10% before, though. It's literally just going to nerf Please Donates right now. Yeah. Please Donate can still exist. But players need Plus. That's very true. That's very true. Donations are capped at 1K a month. Okay. Give you time to update your games rolling. Oh, actually, hold on. Transfers API. It just sent me to Marketplace. I do not see transfers anywhere. Is this link dead? I think they linked the wrong thing. Prompt Robux transfer async. It doesn't. Oh no, it just doesn't exist. Okay. L. Disabling cross-game sales to give you time to update your games. We're rolling out this implementation schedule. Transfer API available for developers to integrate tests and use production. May 4th available. Okay, maybe the docs aren't updated then. We recognize disabling cross-game sales will affect player donation tipping games. If your game relies on these cross-game sale mechanics, we recommend you integrate the transfer API before May 29th to avoid service interruptions. Because cross-game sales will no longer be supported, we will also discontinue support for associated affiliate sales. Associated affiliate. Oh, that's just like the 30% that Please Donate gets, essentially. Thing is, both people don't need plus, right? Only the sender needs plus. Right? At least that's because I've messed around with it. I've sent I think like 200 Robux just to test it. Use cross-selling test items in a private copy of your game. Free purchase feature. Okay. So it literally just... Okay. Yeah, see, it's none of this is none of this is devexable. Wait. Oh, the 10% is devexable. Okay, okay, okay. Wait, so was Please Donate, are tipping games only getting 10%? I thought they got 30 for some reason. It's saying there is no change for the creator. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think everyone's issue is just gonna be the 1K a month. Because the thing is, like, most of the players on Please Donate are the ones begging, right? I guess the people that are donating probably would have plus, though, right? I don't know. I know this was a huge thing, though. And I think this is actually a big reason why they're doing this, is they don't want people essentially getting enough money from Please Donate to then turn their Robux, I forget what the minimum is now, 50k Robux, and attempt to DevX it. You're only supposed to be able to DevX Robux that's made from games. So this just completely removes that, and I know they were trying to crack down on it. Oh, it's 10k? Jeez, they dropped that so much. It used to be 100k. Yeah, so like I know this was probably a huge pain to verify that that when basically people that got Robux from a donation game and then went to attempt to go DevX it, you now need to like trace back where this Robux is coming from. It's 30k? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just please donate. Oh well. Ah! Bad for kids that do commissions for Robux via Game Pass since they can't have X anymore. True. Although, doing commissions through a Game Pass sale has always been just sketchy in general. Need more money. The amount it shows isn't real in studio. Okay. This is what 50x mutation looks like. You don't need to ask to fork, you can just do it. I want to get it inverted. Okay, now we do this. And then we do this. We can do more than that. And then we can increase our luck too. The bonus columns has got to be my favorite. Oh yeah, my index is going crazy. I already have 8. That's funny. Do you think this is going to create a new wave of Roblox RNG games? Yeah. I've already seen a lot of clips out there. Did you ever think you'd hit 100k CCU? I don't know. I said this earlier, but like, I always knew I'm like fully capable of it. There's nothing like mechanically in there that I was not able to do. It's more like just getting a game that appeals to the masses. Like, thing is, like, I have the skills to kind of make whatever I want. I love this. It's just like so much dopamine. It's crazy. Huh? I have no idea. Yeah, only one. This will be my first time doing admin abuse. Drop limits.code's lives. People gotta watch her lives for stuff. Yeah, I could. I actually used to do that quite a bit. I have no idea what to expect, Oryx. Literally no idea what to expect. Yeah, a lot to come in the updates. I don't want to spoil anything, but working on a lot of cool stuff. Hey, thanks, Oryx. I hope so too. Okay. Roll columns, mutation luck, roll speed, luck. We need like loot drop chance. Yeah, chance. Honestly, I don't know. I shouldn't be the person to to give art advice, I feel like. Like, I like my UI a lot, but I wouldn't consider myself a good artist. Forget about Builders Club. I just kind of designed it as I went. There wasn't like a huge plan before I started anything, though. Oh, I should put a recipe right here. That'd be kind of cool. Or like move this pillar closer and then have to jump on it. Little parkour. Well, premium is still a thing, right? They're not getting rid of premium. Plus is just like an extra thing. I'm not mistaken. Thanks, Lee. Yeah, a lot to come. They are getting rid of it? Really? So is there no like monthly Robux thing anymore? Because Plus doesn't give monthly Robux, right? Oh. That kind of sucks. Cool, that works. Sammy LARP. You know, I've never even seen or participated in an admin abuse before, so I had to watch videos of YouTubers playing it to know what they do. I think I was watching Bax play Grow Gardens admin abuse. There was one other I was watching too. Because I didn't know, like, what the hype was, you know? Like, I knew the concept of it, you know? But I didn't know, you know? Okay. I am probably going to end the stream there. Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Short little stream, but it was fun. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. Goodbye, everyone. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for hanging. Bye.